Okay, this is a trial run just to see how well this is recording and whether it's clear. So I'm going to try turning on the computer. And there is the noise. Quite frankly, it sounds like that this is what's making the noise. I feel a vibration here on my finger, and that is, in fact, the video card. But there are no wires underneath there. So we're reaching the point where it's just about ready to boot up, and normally it stops the clicking after it gets to this point. So when I log in, I believe that it's probably the video card that is making the noise. There's the view, as best I can do it, of the video card, or the bottom of the video card.